Hey everybody, what's up? This is Imran from the Biker Crew UAE. Thanks for joining me, and today we're gonna do a how-to video. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you guys how to change the battery on your 2009 R6. Now before we go any further, since you're already here, please do hit that subscribe button because every little bit helps. Right folks, let's get started. So first thing is to use a pair of gloves. Just keep your hands a little cleaner and a little bit protected. You're gonna need a number 5 Allen key because your screws are Allen screws and they're right underneath these points. So now I've already pre-loosened these a bit because I want to make this video a little quicker. So next thing you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver or a flathead depending on what type of screw is on your bike. So we start by taking off the positive. And then the negative. Once that's done, make sure to keep the screws in a safe place, although most batteries do come with a spare set of screws. Now, the thing about the R6 is the battery has this strap. Now, this strap goes all the way down and hooks onto a little clip over there. So the thing to take it out is just push down on it a little bit and then it flips up. So there you go. Ah, this battery's fighting me. Alright, let's move this out of the way. And then get a little more space to pull this battery out of its holding. And finally, there we go. It's always recommended to use sealed batteries, so please do make sure you have a good sealed battery. And the struggle begins all over again to put it back. Okay. Just gonna try to put it in at an angle. Ah, there we go. And alright, that's better. Okay. First thing to do is actually slot this one back in its place. Okay. So there you have it. So now that the battery's back, you've got to put the screws back in, all right? I've already put one of the nuts inside here to pre-put, so I'm going to put that in here as well to get that ready to go. Okay, start with the negative. Positive. All right. So there you go. Battery is back in place. Now the thing to do is to stop the bike and run it for about 5 to 10 seconds and turn it off, let it wait for a bit, start it again, run it for a bit longer and see how it goes. Last but not least is to refit your seat. So let's put that back on real quick and we will be done. And that's that. So now let's start it and see how it goes. Everything seems okay. And there you go. Alright, now let's wait a couple of seconds and then start it again. Works like a charm. And that, folks, is how you change a battery on a 2009 R6. Well, there you go, folks. I hope that helped. And for a detailed description, I've left everything in the description. So thanks for watching. As always, ride safe, and I'll see you on the road.